Hey, welcome back to this short video series on the Toolkit in C64 OS. In this video I just wanted to talk about some of the metrics options that are available to the Toolkit classes. So your root view is this vertical splitter, and inside each half of the vertical splitter you have more content. So the parent of this tab view is a view that's inside the right-hand side of this split. And the tabs view is anchored to the left, right, top, and bottom with offsets, which gives it that nice little margin. So as we resize the split view, this view dynamically resizes to fill available space. Now, what about the root view? What's its parent? Well, its parent is actually the entire draw context. So for an application, the draw context is the full screen. But we have this menu bar and we have this status bar. So with a keyboard shortcut, we can hide the menu bar. We can also hide the status bar. And you see that what happened when I did that was the root view has expanded upwards and downwards. So the way that works is that the operating system sends a notification to the application to tell it about the status bar and the menu bars, whether they're visible or not. And when they become invisible, the application simply changes the top offset of the root view and the bottom offset of the root view, so that they contract and expand to make room for those bars. And so yeah, that's an example of dynamic bounds and anchoring in the Toolkit of C64 OS.